Hi guys, so it's around 6 p.m. and yeah, I went to shower and then is it just me or Mondays zinafaa to go part of the weekend? Because like I feel like Mondays I'm usually the least productive. The irony and the amount of work I have, like najishanga tu like I've been resting for hata before weekend. Hi guys, so I'm done doing my recharge. Yep. Fresh and clean. Hey guys, so I just got back from doing my hair and yeah, I look good in this beanie. Like I'll start wearing them, and I only got this one tukiwa Kibwezi last year, and I've never really found just the right venue to wear it. But yeah, and it matches the trouser of the day, so yeah, I feel like I look so nice. Anyway, my hair is done, so nitaitoa tu. Yeah, anyway, I want to give you guys a book review. I actually finished reading a book. Na imagine nimeisoma. Nilianzia Saturday. Leo ni Tuesday. Nilianza Saturday and I almost read half of it on Saturday. And then I was like, hey, I'm reading a bit too much. So yeah. And then I read it again on Sunday, and then jana sikusoma. And then I finished up while I was at the salon today. So today I've realized I can read. I can actually read a lot. Actually in high school I used to read a lot. Like niliacha kusoma novels because like I would get so immersed. Like I was addicted. I was addicted. Tangu hapo like class 7 to around form 2, I was addicted to reading, so like novels. And at that time I really needed to read what I'm being taught, not novels. So yeah, that's why I stopped reading, and I'm trying to get that hobby back. So I finally finished a book. I realized the one that I was reading before ilikuwa boring, so I actually didn't make it to chapter 2, honestly. So I've realized the type of book that I pick ndio ina matter. So a friend of mine, Pendo, actually lent me this book inaitwa Confessions of Nairobi Women. Let me tell you guys, hii kitabu inafaa kuwa na a trigger warning. Like the stories that are here, guys, like what? Nilikuwa tuna pause. Like I had to take so many pauses because I couldn't believe what I'm reading. Like, hey, yeah, so ikona just, real stories that women have gone through, very sad ones. Ugh. The first one was a bit funny. Like the first one was a bit okay, and then the second one was bad. Like wow. Like wow. Yeah, so trigger warning. Kama utasoma hii kitabu, just get ready to be emotionally terrified. Like I don't know, but it's a nice book. And yeah, so, and I also made my bookmarks from scratch. Nara Smith, is that you? Like nilizitengeneza from a random. I actually made 3. Let me show you guys. Hey, make your orders. Yeah, so nilitengeneza from a certain thing. Yeah, Digital Art Africa. I'm actually using Digital Art Africa platform to do my project. If you're a geospatial engineer, then you know. Yeah, so I have bookmarks now. I've also been reading, guys. I've been reading a lot. Like I feel like I'm so stressed. I'm just distracting myself from a lot. So yeah, I've also been reading this book inaitwa What the Bible Can Teach Us. Like, it just has many, like a couple of verses and a lot of chapters. Niko chapter 3, chapter 17 inaitwa The Privilege of Prayer. Naambia tu random. And then 13 inasema respect the gift of life. 11 why so much suffering, like iko tu na stuff. Yeah, so I've also been reading this like before I go to sleep. I've actually been doing it for 3 consecutive days now. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I just wanna sleep. I feel like I slept so late. Nililala past 1 and then I woke up so early because I wanted to attend a certain class, and then all of a sudden I changed my mind. I just opted to go to the salon because hey, I needed to go to the salon and I haven't been finding the right time. So yeah. So I've styled it. I look like a child though. I like it. Hey guys, so today is on Thursday. It's actually at night. I'm just from getting my food and some bananas. This week, like, I didn't buy bread, so like in the morning I'm just usually waking up and I'm like, what am I gonna eat? But yeah, I've just survived the week. So for tomorrow morning I'll have bananas and chapo, cause like nimebuy chapo mbili chapo mbili na beans na sukuma, and then wameniekea beans mob, like it's a lot, like wameniekea a lot of beans. So I think I'm gonna finish the beans and sukuma and 1 chapo, and then the other chapo I'll have it tomorrow. Yeah, I've had such a long day. Plus I think, I don't know, okay, it's that time of the month. Plus I received an email rejection. I don't know, like I know like I shouldn't feel anything. I should be okay. I do feel something, like I was looking forward. Okay, I don't know, like it's just maybe I was being delusional or something. But muna mni reject, like why, like yeah. So I guess that put me off also, but it's life. So yeah. But at least they responded. Like at least I know, yeah, on the positive side, at least I know.